What will happen when we don't connect neutral of generator with distribution board? Connecting the neutral of a generator to the distribution board is important for maintaining a balanced electrical system and ensuring proper functioning of electrical devices. When the neutral is not connected, several issues can arise. Unbalanced loads. Without a neutral connection, the loads across the phases might become unbalanced. This can lead to uneven distribution of current and voltage, potentially causing some phases to carry more load than others. Voltage instability. Unbalanced loads can result in voltage instability and fluctuations. This can lead to equipment malfunction, reduced performance, and even damage to sensitive electronics. Voltage rise on grounded objects. If the neutral is not connected, the ground potential might rise on grounded objects, which can create safety hazards and increase the risk of electric shock. Harmonics and interference. Unbalanced loads can introduce harmonics and electrical noise into the system. This can affect the quality of power supply and impact the performance of electronic devices. Safety hazards. A missing or disconnected neutral can create a safety hazard by allowing electrical equipment to operate unpredictably and potentially lead to electrical shocks or fires. Violation of electrical codes. In many places, electrical codes and regulations mandate the proper connection of neutrals for safety and functionality. Not connecting the neutral could result in code violations. In summary, connecting the neutral of a generator to the distribution board is crucial for maintaining a stable and balanced electrical system, ensuring safety, and preventing damage to equipment. Always consult with a qualified electrician and follow electrical codes and guidelines when dealing with generator installations and distribution boards.